Hello everyone. By the way, I'm Remy Manad Jr. Have a pleasant day to us. This is my Unit 2 Activity 3 Video Production. It is all about the importance of IT in education. Let's start. Unit 2 Information Technology in Education. This is my Activity 3 Video Production. About IT importance in education. IT importance in education, as of now, not only provide students with access to countless online resources, but also aids them in the learning process. A majority of university and educational institutes have already started to utilize technology within their teaching method. Next is role of information technology in education. With the incorporated of technology into school, the main purpose is to change how teachers and students gather, access, analyze, and transmitted information. Then next, why technology important in teaching and learning? Because technology, the teachers can customize learning per student. It will enable them to improve their instruction method and personal learning, thus increasing their productivity and efficiency as instructor. Through these useful tools, teachers can provide exciting activity. So mapadali yung mga pag-provide ng mga activity through the technology. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and God bless to all.